You want to start it?
Yeah. Hello, guys. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're all right. You're okay. That's why it's going to be different every time.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to our channel. This is Lynn and Skat in the Philippines. How are you? Good morning, Dong.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Lynn and Scott in the rainy Philippines.
Yeah, it's rainy today. It's not
Heavy
so
rain.
Yeah.
Heavy rain. Right? Yeah. It comes down and now the sun's out. And then in about 10 minutes, it's going to start coming down again. Oh, we got a typhoon out there or what? Lynn hasn't done the weather report yet. So waiting for my weather girl to do the weather
I
report.
know. I'm sorry. I'm not updated about everything. So anyway, guys, how are you guys? So again, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we have another what called
Well, called top 10, I guess.
top 10 of what? Top 10.
Well, this one is the top 10 romantic destinations in the Philippines. So these spots offer stunning sunsets, quiet beaches, cozy mountain weather, and great resorts for couples. And that's about what it's saying is why what they're saying these are the top 10 because it has those things. So number one is so they got them separated I think in 2 and 3 different things here. So the top island and beach getaways. First one is El Nido, Palawan. Towering limestone cliffs, hidden crystal lagoons, and private boat tours. You been there?
Oh, no, I never.
You haven't been there? Why not? Your boyfriend don't take you nowhere?
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, we're not travelers, so some of these places we ain't gonna know. But we're gonna tell them to you because this is coming off of Google again.
Yes.
My Filipina, what is it? You're supposed to be my guide. My guide doesn't know anything other than this where we live and Bohol. So that's it. So we have to read off Google.
Palawan.
The next one is Boracay, Aklan. Is it Aklan?
Yeah, Aklan.
Okay. Powder white sand, world-class sunset views, and high-end beachfront dining. You been there?
Yeah, I've been there.
You been there?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm working there.
Oh,
the
yeah?
Antimalu.
Bikinis or what?
No.
On the white sand?
I lived there how many years? Something like that.
Oh, where's Boracay?
In Aklan province.
Okay, where's that? Is it in this island or a different island?
Different island.
What island?
Island of I think somewhere in Visayas also, but the other part of Visayas, because they have Western like that. I don't know what's the part of.
Sure.
But Boracay is really nice. Yeah, it's and the sun is very
bright.
Very no. What's those?
We don't have the sun in the United States.
Sand. The
sand is very white.
Very white.
Very hot.
And very
no. Is it very hot when you walk in it?
No.
No? Nice and cool? Wow. Did you go swimming?
Yeah, I didn't swim. I just like that in.
Did you wear a bathing suit or just shorts?
No, shorts only.
Oh, yeah.
Most people there is always most people there, especially the foreigner, they always wear bathing suit. 1 piece, 2 piece, like they're walking in the.
I wear 1 piece. It starts at my ankles,
there's
goes
a
all
lot.
the way up to my neck.
Before I said my aunties there and lolas like that. When the Boracay is discovered, the first not much people only there, like bamboo house only like that.
Right.
And the people there in the mainland, and when they go to the Boracay like that, they're fishing just like that. And they're shocking. They are having to climb in the tree, in the coconut tree,
so they can eat.
They're watching the foreigners, some foreigners, because they're wearing a suit. Of course, we are sensitive like that. Just before, and that's why they climb to the coconut tree and watching the
You ever climb a coconut tree?
I was in Bohol. I climbed before.
How tall was it?
It's real tall, but now I'm so scared. Like,
yeah, they weave back and forth as you're climbing.
No, didn't weave like that. Only the strong the
All right, the next one is going out my phone here. Coron, Palawan. Is it Coron?
Coron.
Coron.
I never been.
Tranquil blue lakes, secret lagoons, and relaxing hot springs.
Mhm.
Been there?
No, I haven't.
Where's that?
Palawan.
Explain to the people where Palawan
I don't know
is.
where's Palawan. Research today in Google because that's the most romantic place.
That's my guide. That's why I can't leave the
A
house.
romantic place in the Palawan. It's really nice also there. That's what I heard.
Okay.
A lot of people visit. I never been there.
The next one is Surigao Island.
Siargao, yeah.
Siargao?
Mhm.
Siargao Island. Laid back island life, scenic coconut roads, and sunset drinks by the shore. Coconut roads. Where you drive on coconuts?
No, I don't. No, they are using the coconut
Shell?
like the leaves of the coconut. They have.
Oh yeah.
Yes, this like I don't know what that's called.
You been there?
No, I never done.
Where's that island?
It's very popular now. There's a lot of foreigner there. No, it's very popular in the news. I saw that.
Well, we'll have to go there when you get rich and famous.
Yeah.
All right. Next one is Lynn's favorite place, Bohol, romantic beach resorts, and Panglao Island, and scenic river cruise dinners. Doesn't say nothing about chocolate mountains.
Oh yeah.
But so that's Bohol. You been there?
No.
Never been there.
I never been there in Panglao.
That's Bohol.
Bohol, you said beach.
I said Bohol.
Yeah, of course. I'm from Bohol. Bohol.
Well, this is the surrounding areas. It has romantic beach resorts, Panglao Island, and scenic river cruise dinners.
No, I never been in Panglao.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next one is, what's the name of that?
Bohol, Batanes. Siquijor.
Siquijor. Yeah, I've heard that a lot. Siquijor, quiet white sandbars, charming boutique stays, and peaceful coastal vibes. You been there?
No, I never been there.
Sounds nice.
Mm-hmm.
I guess we have to go traveling.
Yeah.
What have you heard about it? Anything? Nothing?
Siquijor, there's a lot of what's that like?
I think there's a lot of expats there now.
Oh yeah, too much expats also there. Like
too much? Wow.
They have what's that in the beach, like if surfing?
Right. Oh, okay.
Just like that, they're popular.
Oh, there. Okay. Oh, that's a surfing area.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this next group is scenic, cool climates and nature. So first one is Batanes. Dramatic rolling hills, breezy ocean views, and quiet stone houses.
Yeah.
You know where it's at?
I'm in Batanes. I don't know where it's
trying to explain to people where it's at.
I don't know where is that in Batanes, but yeah, I heard that one is real nice. You can
if you need a tour guide, you call in at 800. You'll get lost. Next one is Tagaytay, Cavite. Cool weather, cozy cafes, and famous views of Taal. Is it Taal? Taal Lake, where the volcano is.
Mm-hmm.
It's still there. I know it exploded a while back, but we've been there.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nice. It's a big town. I think it's a big.
Yeah, it's really big.
We've been there. It was really nice. We got to see we didn't get up and close to the volcano. We were
so scary.
across the
island.
Yeah, because it's on its own island out there, and they had it closed off because it was, it's been before it exploded. It was smoking and stuff, so they didn't allow people out there on the island with the volcano, so we couldn't go out there. But we sat and had dinner or lunch there and stuff like that because she had a meeting down there and stuff. So it's really nice town and stuff. Really busy though, really busy.
Mm.
Okay, so the next one is what is it? Baguio City. Pine trees, foggy mornings, and relaxing couple spa retreats. Wow. You been there?
Yeah, I've been there.
Where's that?
And Baguio going to like
oh, it's in Baguio.
Going there Tarlac, Pampanga, something like that.
Where is it? What island is that on?
Luzon.
Luzon? It's on our island?
No, I don't know. It's Luzon. I think it's Luzon. Because you have Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao,
Is that
you
up
know.
by Professor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
That's all you had to say. It's Luzon.
Yeah, it's
Oh, it's,
Luzon.
it's north of Manila.
North Manila, Luzon.
Oh my goodness! I think
It's really nice
good
there.
luck.
Also, like they said, they have pine
That's where
tree.
it's cold, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
cold.
that's
Cold.
where everybody goes where it's cold there.
Yeah, cold.
They say you got to wear sweaters there. I see a lot of expats when they do videos there. They say it's cold enough you can put a sweater on or something too. So,
But it's really scary there because it's a mountain, you know.
no, it's a mountain. There's a lot of people there now. It's
Mountain.
It's overcrowded now too. There's too
Yeah,
many
when you
people
go
living
there,
there.
traveling is so scary.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, in the mountain roads. Yeah.
Mm.
All right, this next is the last one is Cebu.
Mhm.
Romantic city harbor views mixed with easy getaways to nearby white sand islands like Batayan. Is it Batayan? But how do you say
Bantayan.
it? Batayan.
Bantayan.
So what do you got to say about Cebu?
I don't know. I've never been there.
You never been to Cebu?
I've been there, but the tourist spot there is really nice also in Cebu. You can eat a lechon. It's very popular lechon there, and also there have a lot of tourist spot also there. The harbor there is nice. The churches, some churches is nice, and they have a big festival there in Cebu.
A big festival in Cebu?
Yeah, big. When doing festival, Cebu I think is number one. I think when they do celebration.
Well, these are romantic getaways, so that's the 10 they gave us and stuff. Is there any you don't know any other places that are kind of romantic getaways here or over there or anything?
And what call this one?
Like
Kalamba.
places you'd go with the beach, it's beautiful.
They said the Kalamba, they have a lot of the resorts to have spring.
Kalamba?
Okay. Nature spring is like that.
And Kalamba is just south of us here on Luzon Island, so
I don't know. I'm not been there. That's what they said.
I'm not allowed to go down there. So, but anyway, guys, we appreciate you. Sorry, we have never been. We don't travel much, but they sound like really nice places. I'll put some pictures on here. Overlap us with pictures. If you need a tour guide, do not call in.
Thank you so much, guys. That's it for today's video, and hope you like this topic and
we're just having fun, right? We're just having fun. Yeah, I'm sorry we can't tell you much about these places because we've never been to them, but we're going by what Google says is the top 10. What was
romantic place.
Top 10 romantic places. So if you're coming over, if you haven't been, I don't know. We don't know, but we're just having fun with this. But maybe it'll give you an idea. If you guys live in one of these places, let us know what you think. If your place should be on there, or if there's other places you think should be on there that we didn't mention and stuff like that, let us know and stuff. Like I said, we're just here having fun. We're not taking this seriously. We're just trying to enjoy life and do our thing, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Have a great day, great night.
See you our next time. Vlog. God bless for everyone.
Peace.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching our video. We really appreciate, guys. We are.
Thanks for watching, guys. Glad you stayed all the way through. We'll see you next time.